Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix verification required on App Store. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to fix verification required when you open App Store? Stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, how to fix verification required on App Store. Method one is update payment method. So seeing verification required and then requesting to verify payment information is most likely a sign that your payment method has expired. Thus, you need to change the payment method by removing the old one and adding a new one. So to do this, open settings on your iPhone or iPad and tap your Apple ID. Step two, choose payment and shipping, and your Apple ID password is required to do here, so you need to fill in your password again. Step three, tap on add payment method to add a new credit card as a new payment method. And then step four, tap on edit, tap the red minus icon on the front of the payment method you want to remove, and then you can delete it from your account. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.